Hey WVA, it's Mrs. Hickam here. I just wanted to take you on a quick trip through what your Google Classroom should look like and how to access each of your classes. If you are in middle school, you're going to have classes for each teacher. If you are in elementary school, you should have classes for each subject. So I'm going to start by logging into one of our demo student logins, and I will walk you through it from there. So once you log in, it is going to come up and it's going to look like this. Now, if you have already joined your classes, then you've already joined them, but if not, you're going to have to go through and join each one separately. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to join each one. And then once you join, it's probably going to take you into that class. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go back to these three lines in the corner, and you're going to have to go, you can go back to classes, and it will bring you right back to this spot. Again, I'm going to join this class, and then I'm going to go back to classes, and I'm going to join this class, and then I'm going to go back to classes, and I'm going to join the last class. Now, once you join all of your classes, each class will be where you go to get your work. So for example, if you are in Ms. Yakubi's class, you're going to have 4 different classrooms. One is for ELA, one is for math, one is for science, and one is for social studies. Now, there is only going to be one Google Meet link in that you are able to access. So your teacher is going to let you know which classroom that is in. For example, in this one, Ms. Yakubi's, they are going to access their Google Meet link through their ELA. The Meet links will not be on the other 3. So what you would do is your student, when they would go on to meet with their class in the video on Google Meet, they would click on the class, and they would come in here and they would go to the Meet link right here at the top. Now, as far as everything else, everything else is going to be found under classwork. The stream right here is to basically for her to post any announcements. Maybe she wants you to check something out, an extra assignment or any of that. They're going to post it right here, and your student's able to comment on it, and you're able to actually post as well on this one. And under classwork, if you haven't been in here yet, it's going to tell you what each thing is. You are going to possibly find your links like Miss Yakubi has set up here. She has all of her ELA links that are going to be always at the top if you need to go to any of those. And then at the bottom, or not the bottom, the next one down is going to be your assignments for the week. So you're going to go to each assignment each day, and it has the due date. The due date is the day that the assignment's going to be posted. If you need to go back to your other classes, you can always click on these 3 lines right here in the corner, and you can see them actually right here. Or if you need to go here, you can go to classes and it will bring you right back to this spot right here. As far as anything else, I think that's pretty much all that I was going to show you. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, message me on Class Dojo, whatever you need, I can help you out some. I know this is going to be kind of a new learning experience if you have not had the 4 classrooms in your Google Classroom yet. But play around with it, see how it works, and hopefully we'll do a good job from there. See you later.